Welcome to another session of Sreenath recipes. Today we will see how to make Schezwan fried rice using Ching's secret Schezwan fried rice masala. Let us have a look at the ingredients. Heat 4 tablespoons of oil in a pan and add 3/4 cup of finely chopped onion. Stir fry this over high flame for some time and add 1/4 cup of finely chopped beans, half a cup of finely chopped carrot, 1/4 cup of julienne cabbage and 1/4 cup of finely chopped capsicum. Stir fry this for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add 6 cups of cooked rice, and 1 packet of Ching's secret Schezwan fried rice masala. Stir fry this for 2 minutes. Now add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped spring onion greens. Stir well and turn off the flame. Schezwan fried rice is ready. Serve it hot. Please do try and post your feedback.